Okay, so what we're looking at right now is the newest version of Jforex from Dukascopy. You can see here, this is the first time when you run this new version. It's very similar to how Interactive Brokers TWS has, where they have the previous version and they have the new version of, I can't remember, all in one application. So you can see here it's 3.213, and here's all the major features in this. So I'm just going to roughly go over with them. So now drawing object has added, it draws candlestick and shows the OHLC prices from the start time to the end time. Okay. Sorting of drawing, available drawings, indicated. Now remember, this is all for forex trading and out of Switzerland. I mean, if you got a big account, you're out of Switzerland. If you're a tiny you're out of the Dukascopy Europe in Estonia. Guppy multiple moving average indicator has been added to the gamma GMMA abbreviation. Now this is all, I'm new to all this, so they're pretty looking. Charts can be grouped, instrumental, period, and by side, okay. So there's a lot of enhancements to this. Daily change to market overview, instruments description is shown in market overview. Okay, I guess that's referring to this thing. Place, oh I see, so you can do place bid and all that, fine. Sorting of indicators. Indicators can be sorted now. Use context menu or drag and drop the indicators. It's more GUI stuff. Account section in the main menu. Change amount units available. Amount units can be changed from context menu in new order panel, if you say so. Clone indicator. Indicator can be cloned in charts. Object names is shown in the context menu. Oh, okay. Cool, I guess. Levels for channel lines. Levels can be changed in channel lines, objects, and charts. Show levels of Fibonacci. Okay. New colors for market direction. Available. Okay, new colors have been added for market price direction. New order and chart. Okay. New chart button. Horizontal ray line. Ray line can be drawn in charts with shift hold as short line. Open charts for new order panel. Besides the usual for Renko charts, which can be drawn into the opposite. This is useful for, okay, blah, 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 blah. Draw object snapping has been improved. The circle indicates, I guess this guy, that the snapping is used. It can be disabled in the control context menu. Improvements of navigation. Mute sound, okay. Chart layer toggle buttons. Alright. New UI HDM. Historical data manager has been changed. Okay, logs path, can, angle. Tools have been improved. Indicator custom handle. Okay. New indicator, price, more, okay. Create workspace backup, I guess that'll be useful. Workspace backups by day. For price, use chart shots. Path for chart shots that can be defined in advanced settings. Okay, I'm gonna have to play with this more, but we have full screen, new UTC, auto login. Cursor point values, preferences in OS 10. Oh, finally, OS 10 have been improved on the main menu for indicator imported prices, voices in variable, tracking line, customization indicator can be used from Orders distance. Okay, snap the candle. Yeah, like you want to watch me go through this. Light, dark, zoom in and out. Okay, there's some pretty cool stuff. Recent list, restore from backup, spread. Well, that's a bid-ask spread shown between best buttons, daily prices. Okay. It's pretty enhanced stuff. Where are we on this? Oh man, you know what? I'm gonna say goodbye. Okay, so here we are. Obviously the markets are closed on a Sunday. It is different, but here is what I'm looking for. Strategies. Okay, as far as I know, these are your strategies that you would use to basically run in the background. Now, for me, how do we put this back? Guess that doesn't work. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so similar strategies is built under there. But what's really important is to understand that this is my preferred system or broker for forex trading. I've looked at a lot. I did get the Oanda working yesterday with another tutorial, but I'm going to be honest with you. I was going to look at MetaTrader. I have thought, but this thing's way more sophisticated. As you can tell, it's faster, it's leaner than MetaTrader, and you have more control on how you can, or you have more capabilities to integrate with Java, the API. So what do I mean by that is, if you go into my blog, I did have a Dukascopy. Let's do a search on Jforex. Actually, it might be better. Let's do Jforex. Let's say Redis. There's an article here, right here, demo to submit order to Jforex via sockets. Now, in this video, what I've got here is a demo, a video, basically right here. Basically what it does is there's a Java class that I have in my own app in Java, and then that will send over messages into Jforex to submit orders, okay? Now the idea here is to put in market orders, I think in market orders, but no stop loss applied. Now the idea here is to prevent what they call stop hunting. It's been prevalent in the industry. It's just people are starting to pick up on it. Stop buying strategy that attempts to force some market participants out of their positions by driving the price of an asset to a level share to where many have chosen to set their stop loss orders. So basically, I'm not saying all brokers do this, but when you get brokers asking to fund your account as a client in weird places like somewhere in the Caribbean or Panama or Cyprus or somewhere in Eastern Europe, that means that that broker is not regulated, and that is your money going in there. So to me, that's a big red flag of the broker most likely is going to start doing this stop hunting, and it's a good way of guaranteed way of you losing money. Now, if you're worried about it, there are other things you do need to be concerned with when it comes to forex trading brokers, because they're a wonderful bunch of scumbags. What we got to worry about is there's a video I put up a while back called Screw You. I think it was 6 ways. Just see that. That's a pretty important video to watch. Right here. 6 ways your retail broker will screw you. And this has been vetted by professionals. And I will say that you do need to be very careful of knowing about this, on who to go with. Now, in terms of Dukascopy, I'm not saying that they do it, because I did mention earlier that your money will maybe get funded through Estonia. I don't know. I'm just going to leave it at that and let you be the judge. Now, I can say a couple things about brokers. Now, if you go back into my channel and look up the word brutal, there's another video that people seem to like.
Hey everybody, Brian here from Qual.
Yeah. Honest. I think brutally honest. I got 1,500 plus videos or something. This helps to know what to type. Brutally honest. Just mark this. Okay, I'll put these other videos I'm just searching for in my blog. Okay, so if I put brutally honest, right here, this video is doing quite well actually. 3,700 views. Now, this is a pretty honest review of brokers out there that I do and don't like. There's a lot of commentary of other people saying the same thing, but majority of people seem to like what's being said here. So you may want to watch both those videos. Now, what can you do about this? Well, this is what I'm planning to do to prevent stop punting. Because I'm using the potentially Backtrader platform that I just posted in the last few days actually. Been putting up so many videos, it's crazy. Here's a review of it, and then I put up another video called Best, this one right here. This one and this one I put up, and that's the software called let me just do a search on a GitHub. Just do a search on Backtrader. So what I'm planning to do is the samples of documentation. This is like no other. All done in Python, and what I'm planning to do is to take that and have it generate buy signals and sell signals with my own strategies that you can embed into this platform. And then through the magic of socket programming, as explained here, you can just only send over the actual orders into Jforex. And those are your buy and sell signals. So in this video of, where am I trying to show you? In this video here, I show you how to do that through Java and the Java API that Jforex provides. That's what J stands for, obviously. And because you're just sending over the order information to Dukascopy, it's very difficult for them to do stop punting because they don't know your stop loss. So virtually you're tracking that in your own software in, let's say, Backtrader, or in a database or somewhere. I'm going to be doing a complete bonus video on this, and it's going to be very exclusive. There's going to be a lot of stuff I'll put out there very exclusively, only for my members that are interested in this. And again, that's if you come under product, become a quant analytics member here, okay, under products, okay. So they're only going to get this info, and I'm going to keep it up only even for a couple of days. because I think this is very important information that I plan to implement. I'm willing to share, but at the same time, I don't want the world to know about this, because that is how I keep my trading edge and my small community of people that follow what I do. So that's the plan of action for now, and then over time, start building out the strategies and implementing them for Backtrader and get those rolling. Because I didn't realize backtrading does more than just backtesting. I mean, it does a lot more. It's what I'm going through right now. So I just want to give you an idea of what I'm doing, and we'll leave it at that. Hopefully you'll appreciate it. And this is the new Jforex 3, and it looks pretty sophisticated. It's on the same level, maybe even better than TWS from Interactive Brokers, but the thing is that they're only in Switzerland, not available for US, sorry. And the other thing is this is pretty decent. All right, so hopefully I'll help you out, showing you the ways to minimize your risk on the stump hunting issue, trying to educate you further through other videos. Over and out, later, have a good day.